On December 6, 2024, a Chinese defense magazine revealed the country's latest technological breakthrough in military defense, the Metal Storm Mobile Electromagnetic Gun System. Mounted on a 6x6 military truck chassis, this cutting-edge weapon is designed to offer a terminal defense solution against modern threats, including first-person view, FPV drones, cruise missiles, and anti-tank guided missiles, ATGMs. The system represents China's ambitious push to develop advanced, cost-effective defense technologies that can provide a significant edge in the rapidly evolving modern warfare landscape. Electromagnetic weapons, such as railguns and coil guns, are revolutionizing projectile technology by using electromagnetic forces instead of traditional chemical propellants. Railguns, for instance, employ intense electrical currents to generate magnetic fields, propelling a projectile at extraordinary speeds along conductive rails. This mechanism allows electromagnetic guns to achieve muzzle velocities far beyond those of conventional firearms, making them ideal for intercepting fast-moving or hardened targets. The Metal Storm system fits seamlessly into this global trend towards mobile and highly responsive defense technologies. By utilizing electromagnetic propulsion, the system offers numerous advantages over traditional weaponry. Not only do electromagnetic guns reduce reliance on explosive ammunition, thereby lowering logistical costs and enhancing safety on the battlefield, but their higher projectile velocities also improve both accuracy and lethality. This makes them highly effective against a wide range of modern threats, from swarming drones to supersonic missiles. One of the most innovative aspects of the Metal Storm system is its mobile design. Mounted on a 6x6 truck chassis, the electromagnetic gun is designed to be rapidly deployed to critical regions, making it an ideal solution for countering emerging threats in areas with limited infrastructure or where quick response times are essential. The mobility of this system enhances its versatility, offering the ability to engage fast-moving targets across diverse terrains and environments. This mobile defense solution is particularly timely given the rise of asymmetric warfare tactics, where the use of drones and missiles has increased significantly. With the ability to neutralize these threats quickly and effectively, the Metal Storm system could offer a major strategic advantage in future conflicts. The race to develop and deploy electromagnetic weapons has become a key focus for several global powers. The United States has been at the forefront with its electromagnetic railgun project, which has demonstrated the potential for railguns to deliver long-range precision strikes at a fraction of the cost of traditional missile systems. Despite challenges related to energy requirements and barrel wear, the U.S. continues to explore ways to bring this technology to full operational capacity. Russia has also been active in the development of electromagnetic technologies, with prototypes for coastal and ship-based defense systems. Similarly, European nations like France and Germany have invested in electromagnetic weaponry as part of broader efforts to enhance their military capabilities. Israel, known for its expertise in counter-drone and missile defense systems, has incorporated elements of electromagnetic propulsion into its advanced intercept technologies, further expanding the use of this innovation in active defense. China's introduction of the Metal Storm mobile electromagnetic gun demonstrates the country's determination to catch up with global competitors in the realm of advanced weaponry. By integrating electromagnetic guns into a mobile platform, China has created a flexible and scalable defense solution capable of addressing both conventional and emerging threats. The deployment of the Metal Storm system raises important questions about the future of warfare. As military technologies continue to advance, electromagnetic weapons could play a decisive role in conflicts where traditional missile systems may be deemed too costly or slow to respond to rapidly evolving threats. The ability to neutralize drones, cruise missiles, and ATGMs with a precise, high-speed, and cost-effective strike could significantly alter the dynamics of modern combat. With nations around the world pouring resources into the development of electromagnetic weapons, the future battlefield is increasingly likely to be shaped by these silent yet powerful systems. Their ability to provide rapid, accurate responses to emerging threats will transform how wars are fought and won, marking a fundamental shift in the nature of military conflict. China's Metal Storm mobile electromagnetic gun system represents a major leap forward in defense technology and highlights the growing importance of electromagnetic weapons in the global arms race. As these systems evolve and become more widely deployed, they could redefine the rules of warfare and reshape global military power dynamics.